is me, Tiana Nicole, and today I am here.
Wait, what do I say?
Hey guys, it's me, Tiana Nicole, and today I am here with my sister,
Jaelyn.
and she is going to be doing my makeup.
You stop hitting me!
I didn't hit you. You hit me.
Stop hitting me!
I didn't hit you.
Stop hitting you! Stop hitting me!
I didn't hit you.
And when you smile.
So first I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to just act as a base for her makeup. So I'm going to be putting it around her nose mostly and on her forehead. So next I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever HD stick in the shade 173 and just put it all over her face. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the Kat Von D Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just going to be using a dry Real Technique sponge that looks like this. And I'm going to be dipping into the powder and placing it wherever I put the concealer. So look up. No, look up. Look, now look up with your eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes while I continue with some of her other makeup. So next I'm going to be taking my Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette in medium dark shift, and I'm going to be taking the powder side with the lighter shade on a Real Techniques brush and tapping into that and putting it on her cheekbones and up onto her forehead. So next, I'm going to be taking more of that loose powder I just used, and I'm going to be putting it where I put the contour right here, underneath. Don't. So next I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush and I'm going to be wiping away all of the translucent powder on her face. And any excess powder I'm rubbing it into the skin. Oh. You're fine. Don't. Your eyes are watering.
I know, it hurts.
Don't. Is it broken?
No.
So I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Brow Box and a Morphe Angled Brow Brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the lighter shade since she does have lighter hair than I do. And I'm dipping into the gel a little bit so it stays. And I'm taking a spoolie around and combing out her eyebrows. So I'm starting with the underneath. Next, I'm going back in with the Tarte Shade Tape in shade Deep, and I put it on the back of my hand with this flat Morphe brush and for B75, and I'm just going to put this all over her lid so the eyeshadow sticks. So next I'm going to be taking this Morphe M420 and back into the translucent setting powder by Kat Von D, and I'm just going to put this over her eyelids so that the concealer doesn't crease. Next I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to be creating the look using this shadow palette. Oh, sorry. I need you to open your eyes. Do you want glitter? Okay. Pictures? Close your eyes. Don't squint, don't squint. Come down, come down. It's just water. Close your mouth. Just do this so that the powder sticks better. You don't have to put it. What's not what we're talking about. So Oliver's got lick your face. Ready, Tiana? I just said this one's finished. Okay, go this. A little bit. Lightly close your eyes. I'm gonna spray. Ready? 1, 2, 3, spray. 1, 2, 3, spray. 1, 2, 3, spray.
So we got a better light so you guys could see what she did. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to this channel and my other channel with my dad, Tiana and Daddy, and leave a comment down below.
Cause you're amazing, just the way you
It's hot.
and when you smile,
Okay, it's not that hot because it's been out here for a
the
long
whole
time.
world stops
Yeah,
and
I
stares
said
for
it's
a
hot.
while. 'Cause
You
girl,
felt
you're
it?
amazing,
Okay, I told you.
just